Welcome to Excel Inside Out. In this video, I will show you how to combine multiple workbooks into Excel using the Power Query. So prior to the Power Query, to be able to combine multiple workbooks, you have to use VBA and then copy and paste approach, which is sometimes very hectic and time consuming depending on the number of workbooks that you are working with. So to show you how to do this, I will minimize this and then show you the report that I want to combine and upload. So you have the sales report for 3 years that you want to combine into one and then analyze it. So let's open one of them and then take a look at the structure of the data. So here we have for product categories, the sales channel, the quantity, unit price, and then the revenue. So it's same for all the years. So we want to combine all of them into one workbook and then analyze it. So let me close it and then go back into Excel. So we use the Power Query. So I'll go to the Power Query tab. So if you are using Excel 2016, you go to Data and then Get and Transform. But because I'm using 2013 and the Power Query is an add-in, I have a separate tab for the Power Query. So I'll go to the Power Query tab and then from File and then from Folder. So here we can specify the folder path, but I'll use the browse to go and then pick it from desktop. So we have the report on the desktop. So I'll pick desktop and then pick reports and click OK and then OK. So now you can see the number of files or workbooks that you want to combine. So we have 3 for 2015, 2016, and then 2017. So here I can load it or I can use the combine approach. So with the combine, I have 3 options: combine and edit, and combine and load, and then combine and load too. So this is when you want to combine it and then do some data cleansing. So I'll pick this option to combine it, but I want to do some small editing here. So now we can preview the structure of the data. So this is the same information that we saw when we opened the 2015 workbook. So I'll just click OK. So now I have all the data here. So let's take a look at the source.name and see the files that were uploaded. So now you can see that all the 3 years has been uploaded. So I'll just click OK. So I'll do the first editing here. So what I will do is to extract the name, the year from this. So I'll just select this, go to transform and then extract. So I want to extract the year, which is in between two delimiters. So I'll pick the last option here. So the first or the starting delimiter is full stop. So I'll pick full stop or dot, and then the last one too is the same thing. And then I'll click OK. So now I get the year only. So when I go to the drop down here and check it, you see that we have for just 2015, 2016, and then 2017. So I'll click OK and then upload this into Excel. So I'll go home and then close and then load. So now I have the data uploaded into Excel. But one thing that you have to remember is that this is the combined data. So when I go here, you can see I have for the 3 years. So I'll just click OK and then show you the last thing. So I'll go to the desktop here. So for this report, we have for just the 3 years, but we have 2018 here, which wasn't part of the uploaded workbook. So I'll just move this and place it within this folder and then close it. So I'll come back here and then just refresh this and see what happens. So I'll go to query and then refresh and then go to here. Let me change the name to year and enter. So now let's go to the drop down and see the years that we have here. You see we now have the 2018 as part of the files or the workbooks that has been uploaded. Any workbook that we place in the folder will be automatically uploaded or added to the combined data upon refresh. So this is a short video on how to combine multiple workbooks into one using the Power Query.